Hi, my name is Jobran Mansour. I'm a head and neck surgeon. So I take care of a lot of different cancers and etiologies and diseases in the head and neck and ENT spectrum. I went into head and neck surgery because my grandpa had a throat cancer. And I saw how everyone around him, how the medical doctors, how the nurses, everyone took care of him and made him feel special. When you step into Fox Chase and meet me, you're not just meeting me. You're meeting my whole team in the hospital. It's me, it's my medical oncologist, it's a radiation oncologist, it's a social worker that's gonna take care of you. It's the whole system that Fox Chase excel with that's gonna make sure that you go through your whole treatments and you're gonna feel well, go back to your family and work, and you're gonna do well in your life. When I'm not working, it is funny because I'm an adrenaline junkie. I motorcycle, I skydive, I climb, and it just gives me joy and way to get all the energy out so I can come back to work feeling relaxed and ready to take care of patients. I want patients to know about me, that I'm always there for them, that I treat them like my friends and my family, and I'm always available for their concerns, for their questions, and for anything that they need. They can always reach out, and I'm gonna always be there for them and support them throughout the treatment, throughout the follow-up.